In today's video, I have count them, two unboxings. No, one unboxing. Okay, we're off to a bad start here. One unboxing and one reveal. Two handbags, however, both from a luxury brand, both from the same luxury brand. So stick around to see what I got. Oh, and I got an incredible deal on one of them. You won't believe what I paid. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Today I have an unboxing and I have a reveal of a handbag. Both are handbags. I already explained all this. So let's go ahead and jump right in, shall we? I'm going to show you the reveal first. Very interesting bag. I have never seen this before. I saw one come up on the RealReal and it was in silver, and it was like a bright shiny silver, which is not my color, like a darker, closer to gunmetal kind of silver. And then I was on eBay and I came across one just like it, but in a colorway that I like. So tell me if you know the name of this bag, because I do not. This is it. It is a Longchamp. You see how it has these leather pieces on the corners and then the little studs? I'm gonna hold it closer so you can see it better. So it's very similar to the Le Pliage, or I mean it is a Le Pliage, it's just like a special version of it. It's in the small size, and I'm just giving you a little spin here. Here's the base. Now you see there it does have worn corners. It's like that on all four of the corners. You can see. That's something else I would like your help with. Those of you who are familiar with dyeing handbags, the photos, I got this on eBay and the photos didn't show that the corners were that worn, but the price I paid, I don't even care because it's ridiculous. So if you know what I should do about those corners, it seems like just adding a little touch of dye would do. Is there like a liquid dye that I should use? Is there some kind of stick that's not so messy? Or like a pen, you know? Should I send it somewhere? I shouldn't have to send it somewhere, right? That seems easy enough to do. What a cute little bag. And let me show you a few more details. So it has that leather flap and the leather handles, the little leather pulls and the leather corners. So everything's just like a regular Le Pliage bag except for these corners here that are leather. Those are usually just nylon. And it has the horse logo and the little, can't get it too much closer there without it stopping the focus, but it has Longchamp on the snap. Now on the larger Longchamp bags, because the only other ones I have are the large size that go over your shoulder, it'll say Longchamp back here, but it doesn't on this one. And then on the body of it, it's this, I don't know if that's called jacquard. It's like, oh, it's woven. So it's uncoated and it's like, it's thread woven together, you know, like fabric. Fabric, that was the word I was looking for. Girls and boys, your word of the day is fabric, when strings are woven together. But it has a dark brown thread and then a lighter brown, and when you turn it, it has a bit of a shimmer, I think you can see, where it looks a little bronzish, which I really like about it. And then you can also see it has, it's like the Longchamp ribbon with the word Longchamp and the horse and jockey on it in the diamond pattern. The corners, give you a close-up of that there, it's pebbled leather, and then it has the smooth leather trim with these rounded silver studs on it. And then the other thing that's unusual about this bag and different from the regular Le Pliage bags is the zipper pull. So usually they have a little round metal zipper pull, and I'll show you one in a bit to show you what I'm talking about. But this one has this big fat leather zipper pull with the logo on it. And it opens just like a regular Le Pliage bag. You flip the flap back, it's suede on the inside of the leather, so just the other side of the leather. It has a silver zipper, unzip it, and there's stuff going on the inside here. A regular Le Pliage bag is just one big open section, and then it'll have a little pocket up front. This one has more. I have it stuffed right now with my charcoal packs because it had a bit of a storage odor. Don't let me forget to tell you what I paid for this. Ridiculous. So it's a black hole in here, but let's see if you can see it. I think once I edit it and lighten up the video, you'll be able to see it better. On the front here, there's no pocket. and it's a fabric lining. This bag I would not guess is waterproof like the larger Le Pliage, the regular ones are. On one of the inside seams here, there's a tag in leather that says Longchamp, and then right behind that tag there's a plastic tab with some numbers and letters on it, and I have no idea what they mean. On the back wall there's a big zipped pocket. There's the inside of it, and it says Longchamp on the zipper pull there with the little horse and jockey logo. And then it also has, I don't know if you'll be able to see this very well, on the front of that zipper pocket there's a slip pocket right here. It's kind of a tall skinny pocket that I'm guessing was made for smaller phones than the one that I have now, because my phone, yeah, definitely will not fit in there. And that's an iPhone 10. But you could put pens in there or something, but that's it. Oh, and this also does not have the snap on the back where you can fold it up and snap it together like some of the bigger Longchamps do. No big deal, it's compact enough as it is. Now, let me tell you what I paid. I have no idea what the original price on this bag was because I don't know what this bag was or when it's from. So again, if any of you do know that, I would appreciate the information. The one that I saw on the RealReal, the silver one, they were selling it, I think it was about $115, right around there. I got this on eBay, and again, the only thing wrong with it is those corners that really aren't a big deal, just need to be dyed a little bit. I got it for $35, guys. $35. I could not believe it. I don't know if they just didn't know what they had or what, but $35. Wow. So that's why I couldn't pass it up. And I think it's really cute. All right, let's move on to the unboxing. I'm gonna get my trusty knife. I actually reached for it in the correct place that time. It's right here and not over there. I'm getting used to it finally. For those of you who don't know, I moved stuff around on my desk a few weeks ago and I've had trouble finding this. All right, the box is being opened. Here's the inside. Bubble stuff. Receipt from the RealReal. Ooh. And the handbag. Also, I have to say, I have this bag because of one of my subscribers who told me about it in a direct message on Instagram, and that person, her Instagram name, I don't know, is LabelHo54. So LabelHo54, thank you so much for showing this to me. She saw it and thought of me. I'm saying she, again, I don't know. This person saw it and thought of me, and they were right. I loved it. So here it is. Let's see what it is. And based on that last purchase, can you guess? 2 handles. What could it be? What could it be? Look at that. It arrived a bit smashed. Hold on, let me get it all situated where you can see it in its beauty. Ooh, it is quite beautiful. So it is the Longchamp Le Pliage in the large size. This is the more traditional version, but this is beautiful. This is bronze, and it has, similar to the other one, it has that diamond quilting, but this has belts, like the lines, instead of being like a ribbon on the other bag, it has belts and then the little horse and jockey logo. Same thing up there on the flap. You've got the logo and the button. Here's the back of the bag. No snap. I think the base versions, the cheapest models, the most simple models have the snap and the others don't, the nicer ones like these. And you see on the back of the leather there how it says Longchamp, and I always forget what it says below that. Modèle déposé. I'm not sure what that means, model something, but that wasn't on the other bag. Here's the bottom of it. It appears to be in fantastic condition, like new condition. And then you see how it has stitching here. That's for the pocket that's on the inside. So I'll open up that snap. It has the suede on the inside. And oh, here's what I was talking about with the zipper pull. See, I told you I would show you one in a minute. So that's the normal zipper pull, and that bag had that leather one. All right, let's look inside here. And it is a big open space. It is cavernous. Here's the pocket on the front. Is it like a mustardy color inside? That's pretty. This will be perfect for fall. Look at that. It's really nice. This also has a plastic tab. I guess I've never noticed these in my other Longchamp bags before. This one has words on it, not just random numbers and letters. It has those too, but it also says Longchamp Paris, made in China. The fabric on the inside is interesting. The outside is definitely coated. This is waterproof for sure, but the inside is not like my other Longchamps where it feels like a coated canvas. This is a raw canvas, a raw fabric, word of the day. quite nice. Label Ho 54, you are the best. You know me so well. This was just perfect. I couldn't pass it up. I waited a few days to get it because I was like, oh, I really don't need another Longchamp bag, but then this one is perfect. I had to have it. So these are my two new purchases. I could even carry them together. They look quite good together, I think. Use this one as a work tote, and this is a little handbag. That would work well. Hope you enjoyed the handbags. Let me know any of that information that I asked about, like the name of this bag and when was it released, because I don't know, and then dyeing the corners. Let me know about that too, please. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope your family and friends and you are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.